Come with us on the journey of a Golden Apple Scholar. Golden Apple recruits scholars from Michigan schools who go on to attend Michigan institutions of higher education. We recruit high school seniors, freshmen in college, sophomores in college. If that's you and you're also a Michigan resident, enrolled or planning to enroll at a Michigan college or university full-time, able to commit to teaching in a Michigan school of need for 5 years, then you might be the perfect fit. Our application takes a holistic approach and considers your academic record, personal statements, resume, and references. It also consists of a 20-minute virtual interview. After completing the application process and accepting the offer to become a scholar, you've officially joined a community of aspiring teachers. As a scholar, you are supported throughout your undergrad and into your first few years in the classroom. Scholars receive academic and social-emotional support during undergrad, paid summer professional development, and classroom teaching experiences to better prepare you for a teaching career. And in the summers between your undergraduate academic year, you complete our Scholar Institute and gain classroom experience, networking opportunities with exceptional leaders in education, learning opportunities, a stipend to learn. Upon graduation, scholars receive mentoring from outstanding Michigan teachers for 2 to 3 years, a practice proven to increase teacher retention, and job placement assistance. Become an exceptional Michigan teacher. Start your Golden Apple journey today. Head to our website for more details: goldenapple.org/scholars-Michigan.